third action. And let's hope our Wi-Fi does not die this time. Okay, let's hope. Let's hope that it does not. And it will. It does work. Hey, chat. Chat. I could talk to you guys now, man. Holy, 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 holy. Alright, let's start it off, man. So let's do a quick market recap of the week and do a forecast market recap. So just to remind ourselves with the market recap of the week, Monday we had the only setup. Tuesday we didn't take no trade because it's the day before FOMC press conference. Wednesday we had a setup, but that broke our rule. The market never tapped our entry. Thursday we did have a setup, but that setup never tapped our entry. I mean, I think Wednesday broke our rule. Yup. And Friday, market never tapped our entry price. What was the lesson of the week? To not be concerned. I am not concerned. I am patient, confident, feels emotion like greedy. When I win, I feel nothing. When I lose, I feel nothing. When I'm right, I feel nothing. When I'm wrong, I feel nothing. It's strictly business, nothing personal. A win trade doesn't excite me. A loss trade doesn't phase me. A miss trade does not concern me. And yeah, we're not matched up to pass our challenge account this week. We will probably next week, upcoming week, if we have a setup. And if that goes to the win, but I'm not gonna expect to go to win. I'm expect to lose. I'm expect to in the long term. But you know what the reason we didn't pass it is simply because of the market being what was it called? The chat. What was it called? It's simply because of the migration. So markets they migrated, so it didn't do anything. But our bots have been 100% correct, which is fantastic. If you know what I'm saying, chat. And what else we have here? We have that's all. That's all we have. Thank you. Let's have the week. We did not get any 1 minute advanced entry because we have to look for unicorn model and market number souped it out on the Monday trade we had. Are there any other lessons? We must be disciplined. We cannot force a trade. We can only take our own setups, right? And for Friday, we can expect the expansion if Thursday or Friday is not the draw on liquidity. And if the market is when the market goes up by a lot, you would want that to happen because why? Because first of all, New York reversals could happen. Second of all, you want to sell high, buy low, and buy low, sell high, right? And that's what we have right over here. And let's get straight into our market forecast. That's the lesson of the week. We didn't break any rules. We built good habits. I'm satisfied, right? I'm very satisfied of the week. Now let's go over to the 12-month time frame. 12-month CRT low got souped. We're gonna 12-month CRT high. 3-month CRT low got souped. We're going to 3-month CRT high. We have a 3-month key level. We have a monthly discounted IRL to premium ERL. We have a monthly discount if the dealing range got tapped, so we're going to dealing range high, which is right over here. On the weekly time frame, we have a weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CIT to the upside. Will this week be a range or expansion? It depends, right? Because there's literally there's not that much news this week. We go check the Forex Factory. There's not much news this week. We have Monday, Euro, GBP, USD. So Monday we have a USD news at 9:45 a.m. And yeah, Tuesday we have a no news. Wednesday we have no news because GBP. Thursday we have USD unemployment claims, which is not the NFP claims. Friday we have core retail sales. So this week we could definitely do it. We could definitely expect expansion, but we'll probably do in either. But we gotta go back to the short-term liquidity, right? Short-term liquidity should always lead to the long term, right? But on the daily time from the daily ERL to IRL, why does daily use to IRL? because market have already went through. Is because market has already went. What I'll say this in English. Because this fair value gap is a CRT, so we're going to go to this low, and we're not going from an ERL to ERL. Right over here, you can see right here, ERL to ERL. We can't go from there. We can only go from a ERL to IRL, IRL to ERL, right? So when this ERL gets souped, I'm not expecting a ERL to IRL, right? I'm expecting a ERL to IRL around here. There's no IRL around here, so we're going from an ERL to IRL because that's how it only can go, right? And that's our thing. So we have daily CRT as well, supporting this, weekly key level, weekly value gap. So we can tap this and push up high from here, right? Buy below the opening price of the weekly candle, hopefully. And what else do we have here? For news, Monday is a good day. Tuesday, is all right day. There's no news. Thursday is no news. Wednesday is no news. Thursday is news. Friday is news. So every day is tradable, right? It's now FOMC press conference, right? You guys know that news does not bother us. What only bother us is the day before FOMC press conference. Every other thing is good for us because we want the market to do that, so we can market push up higher. And when we are trading in the news, we will not be breaking even, right? We just hold it unless you take profit or stop loss, right? And I may not enter the NFP news trades, man. I'm probably gonna only enter that once I'm in a live account. Not the platform, right? Like live account, manual account, because I do currently have a live account, but I don't use it. It's not that much in capital there, right? But I'll definitely be doing that in a live account, but not the funded because they have so much rules restricting that, right? So now let's go over crypto, right? That's our good old recap yesterday. Ooh, Shakalala, Shakalele, Layla. There will be another all-time high. There will be another rally in Bitcoin in the crypto whole market. Will alt season start very soon? We're gonna talk about it in this video. Real quick, make sure you guys join our Discord. Link is down below. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and let's get straight into the video. Right? Crypto looks bullish here. If you guys buy right here till like the all-time high, only just hit through the 100K mark, you're making a 17% return, right? And that's with large capital. You wouldn't get in Bitcoin with a small capital, right? You would get a large capital. So this 28% gain is a lot, right? If you're making more than the stock market barely goes up by 1%, 2% in a year, making 28% in a couple months here, right? Which is fantastic. Let's get straight into our technical analysis, right? As you guys know, market's controlled, market moves through technical analysis, and the best way it moves is through CRT and ICT, right? We have a weekly IRL right over here to ERL to the 102K mark. If you go put that as a price mark here, oops, we can expect that 96. So we could expect that 99K mark, which is basically the 100K market, to get tapped. We currently have a weekly CRT. We have 2 weekly CRT here, right? Holding a suit, so we could expect 94K to get tapped, 96K, and 99K. Eventually going from there once we get more data, right? Now let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we currently have a CRT here. We do have a daily to the downside, but this daily to the downside was against our our longer term, so we would not take that. Take this as our CRT, right? We currently have a CRT here, so we could definitely expect the 87K mark to get tapped once again, right? And go up high from there to the longer term, right? Because our hourly time frame, there is a confirmation to this hourly. You know what I'm saying? there is a confirmation to this hourly. I mean, there is a confirmation to this daily CRT, not hourly, right? So we currently do have this daily CRT. It's currently at the price point at 84K, is where the remarkable one is. So you could enter a trade at 84K and hold it up to 99K mark to make a good amount of profit, right? And you could put your stop loss right below that 83K mark. This is for Bitcoin, right? This is what I'm expecting for the longer term. You're probably wondering, like, man, you're not putting enough into it. It is true. Yes, it is true. My past 3, 4, 5, 6, my past 3 months of crypto market updates has been 90% accuracy, right? Now let's get to our ETH and Bitcoin. Not ETH, I mean just ETH only, right? As of right now. ETH, what do we have here in a monthly time frame? You can see we have a monthly CRT to the upside, we have a monthly IRL to ERL. On a daily time, on the weekly time frame, what do we have here? We have no weekly CRT, but on the daily, we do have this daily. Oh wow! So we have a daily confirmation to this weekly to the monthly CRT, right? As you guys know, we have a monthly CRT to the upside. We have a monthly CRT to the upside, right? That's a weekly, I'm pretty sure. Weekly or the monthly? We have a monthly CRT to the upside, right? So if you have a monthly CRT, looking for a daily confirmation, right? So we have a monthly CRT and we're looking for the daily confirmation. We do have the CSD because this is the candle that went below all these other candles. And eventually you got a candle closure above it. You only did the body, there's a crypto, right? So the body is still good. And you could enter right now at 1.9K and hold it all the way up to the 4K mark. And that's going to be a huge amount of gain right there, right? That's going to be at least a 1x, right? From here, let's just say, go and show you guys. It's very easy because I'm suggesting you guys could buy this anytime you want right now. Buy it right now. You're currently in the number one to CISD stage, right? So you could definitely buy it right here and hold it up to the 4K mark and make a 100% gain return, right? Instead of getting in crypto, you can get in ETH and make more, right? Instead of making a 28% gain, you can make a 1x gain, right? So now let's go to total 3. Right, total 3, we currently do have a confirmation right over here. There's mother CRT, and nothing has changed. You just